Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on the different kinds of angle in geometry. So the first kind of angle in geometry is acute angle. So acute angle measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. For example, if we're going to have here an angle, and for example this is 45 degrees, then we can say that this is an acute angle because this one measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degrees. Another example, let's have this angle here. Let's have this one as 60 degrees. So this is 60. This is more than 0 but less than 90. So this is an acute angle. Okay, another one, let's have this angle here. Let's have this one as 81 degrees. So less than 90 but more than 0. So this is an acute angle. Then the second kind of angle is right angle. So right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. So you can imagine this one as the person or a human standing, and this is the floor. Then this one forms a 90 degrees. So the symbol used in 90 degrees is this symbol here, just like a square at the side. So if you are going to have this symbol, this one signifies that this angle that is formed is a 90 degrees, or this is a right angle. So again, a right angle measures exactly 90 degrees, nothing more, nothing less. Then the third one is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. For example, if we're going to have a drawing, for example, if this is 101 degree or degrees, we can say that this is an obtuse angle. This is more than 90, so 101 is more than 90, and this is also lesser than 180. Another example is this one. For example, if this is 145 degrees, then we can say that this is an obtuse angle. This is more than 90 but less than 180. Another example, for example, this is 179 degrees. So this is more than 90 but less than 180. So we can say that this is also an obtuse angle. So again, obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.